Hi there, Honors World History students. I really appreciate all the hard work you guys have been doing. I can't wait to grade those superhero elements. I really appreciate everything you guys have been doing in this class. Honestly, you guys are such a joy. So thanks for being awesome. I have some quick instructions here for you about a survey that the Big History Project would like us to take. And if you could just take 1 minute of your time, it will not take long. Trust me, it's short. To do so, that would be great, okay? So if you will, first make sure that you are logged into the Big History Project website, okay? You know how to do that by now. You've done investigations, etc. And then you're going to go into the What is Big History piece here. I'm in student mode, so I hope this is exactly what you guys are seeing, okay? And you're going to scroll down, and you're going to find the other materials, and it says Survey, Student Survey, Beginning of the Year. If you will click on that and take that very short survey for me, I would be most appreciative. Big History Project has been asking me multiple times now, please have your students take this, and I'm going, oh my gosh, I keep forgetting to send me this really short video on where to go and how to do this. So if you could just take a minute of your time today or Monday, that would be beautiful. Anyways, if you have questions on it, please let me know. And I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for being awesome again, and have a nice weekend.